How to change your Discord username on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will see how we can change your Discord display name as well as the username. So, in order to do so, first of all, head over to Play Store or App Store to search for the Discord app and then update it to the latest version released. Once that is done, tap on Open and then log in into your account. First and foremost, head over to your profile by tapping on U icon, which is on the bottom right corner, and then on Edit Profile. From this page, you will land to User Profile, from where you can change the display name. You can add it, add pronouns, add some details about you, and avatar decorations can also be changed on this page. After changing the display name, tap on the Save button, which is on the top right corner. Next up, let's move on to the username. For this, head over to the gear-like icon to open settings from the top right corner. Go to Accounts and then on Username. From here, you can use numbers, letters, underscores or full stop for creating a new username. And that's it on changing usernames on Discord. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.